guys, let's go for a little ride. Alright guys, y'all know who I am, watching Car Smart TV, and we've had a customer that's had a gas G16, I believe is what it was, and the camshaft had just gotten destroyed in the old motor. Could not find one anywhere. So, the customer asked if we would be able to do a Predator swap, and we are. So, that's what we're working on. I've already went ahead and got the plate mounted up here and about to get ready to stick this motor in there and get it mounted up and a belt length drawn up here, and then going to be removing some other stuff that's back in here that's no longer going to be needed, because we are going to start this golf cart off a key switch, like you do your lawnmower or car or whatever. That's how we're going to have this, and that way it has pretty much like idle capabilities for this customer. And yeah, that's where we're going to go now, is get this daggone motor dropped up in here. So this is the motor that's going to go in the Yamaha, the G16. So when you get one of these Predators, you have to go to a 1-inch clutch as well. So we got that happening here for us, and as I said, it's going to be key switch start. So, you know, throw power to the solenoid, hit the key start on the dash there, and starter's going to turn over and fire this bad boy up. Hopefully this guy will have a nice golf cart for quite a long time, so stay tuned. What's up everybody? I finally got the old big block set into the Yamaha here, and we had to do a few things to get it right, but nothing, you know, stupid major. We did have to get a different style clutch to go on here to accommodate for the belt driven system. We had to do a different style exhaust on it as well. I had to kind of make a couple of relief cuts there to get the pipe to bend in that direction, because it just hits everything back there if you drop that in with that style muffler. Anyhow, we had to change out the original air box that comes on these motors, and this is a Predator 459. It comes with this style airbox on it to start with, and it is not enough space there in this particular setup, so we had to go with the flat style airbox there. Also had to get the spacer for carburetor to engine that has the little brass nipple in it right here for your vacuum, because we decided to stay with the original fuel pump, and it seems to be working perfectly fine. It definitely takes up enough of the air there to keep it running and riding really good. I had to make a few little adjustments in the, you know, throttle area here. I had to actually kind of move one of my clamps from here down to the front of the engine here, and put the clamp on and tighten it down to the cable here. It works perfectly fine. We also wired up a key switch, a cheap one for like your lawnmower or something, so that it can sit and idle for the customer while they're, you know, opening a gate or something like that. So what I did there was the kill switch went to the M position on this key switch. There's a signal switch wire here for your starter solenoid signal wire, and then your straight battery voltage here on the white wire, and then just ground is here on your black wire. So yeah, and then we have a position there that's like an accessory or lights or something. It's just an extra, basically 12-volt source once you cut the key switch on. Don't even need to use anything like that in this application. Customer isn't going to have lights or anything on his. And like I said, the white wire comes into your main battery power, because you have to run power from your battery over to your solenoid on your starter. And this is electric start, obviously. But then you feed power from there to your key switch, and then, as I said, your signaling wire, which is here on the top of the relay. Okay, it needs 12 volts to come in so that it opens the circuit to be able to hit the starter when it does go off. So this comes into the S position on the back of the key switch, and then this is your ground for your engine keel, which I put that on the M position of the back of the key switch. And then your battery ground goes to the ground on the back of the key switch as well, which I have my battery ground here, smaller there. And then I've just got ground from the battery to the engine. So yeah, we decided to go with some clear fuel lines here so that the customer could make sure that it would continue to operate properly, because this is, you know, new and all that good stuff to him anyway. We've done one of these before and turned out pretty good. But yeah, the only things I've got left to do is throw this key switch in this dashboard here and pop my cup holders back in, put my cover back over the rear. I want to make sure that all that's not getting too close to the muffler so that maybe it's not melting away. So far so good here. It's not messing with the body at all. So yeah, I'm going to take care of that real quick, and then shoot, we'll go for a ride, guys. Alright guys, let's go for a little ride. Well guys, it's not too bad. Maybe a little adjusting to the carburetor there, and overall it's been pretty fun. It's not super hard to do. Just gotta do a little fabricating there at the mount, for the mount to motor to, and then to the golf cart. So yeah, just be patient when you do these jobs like this, and everything will work out, guys. I hope this helps you out. Hope you enjoy this video. If I can answer some questions about it, feel free to give me a shout. I'll do my best on it. And yeah, I'm out, guys. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos for us. Get us out there. Appreciate it. God bless you.